What's up? It is June 28th, 2026, and we're here in Coney Island, Brooklyn, New York City. And right now, let's do a time check. It's 7:55 p.m. The weather is decent today. So it is actually 74 degrees right now. It was around 80 today, and it's actually dropping the temperature a little bit. We're by the water, so that actually happens when you're by the water. We got a little big guy here. Let me straighten him out. He needs a little setup here. He's been working all day today, little big guy. Our Pocket 3 camera. All right, I think I got him set up okay. We're gonna stroll around Coney Island today. And my hands, man, from walking today, I don't know, I guess the residue, I'm a little sticky today. I gotta wash my hands in a little bit. Like really crazy. But yeah, let's go. Let's check out Coney Island. Been a while. This is such an awesome spot. It's been a while since I've been down here. I really like Coney Island. You know, you got the city and the shore all in one here, which is super, super cool.
You think people could have no problem?
So yeah, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna stroll around randomly. We're gonna check out the boardwalk. We're gonna check out all these spots. We're gonna check out the park. There's like an amusement park and everything too. Wow, it smells so nice down here. The food smells amazing. Smells so great. We got the Nathan's right here since 1916. That's the original, famous. This is the original, so that was the first one ever. And just a reminder to myself, we came up 15th Street, so that's the way I park. And the Belt Parkway sign is there. Cool. That's cool. So wow, it's so nice here. It has been a while, a good while, since I've been here, since we've been here. So let's walk around. Let's enjoy it. All right, let's go. All right. Let's go.
I just needed that.
All right, let's stroll over this way. I know my way around here, but not all the way like what everything is because it's been a while. But you see right around the corner here, boom. You got the festival right here, the festivities. Alrighty, let's go. A lot of music going on here. There's a lot going on here. All right. Let's go. Let's go around. A little loud here. All right, yeah, they got a lot of stuff for sale. Stuffed animals and everything. All right, yeah, it feels good down here. Feels good to be down here. Wow, the party's going on here, boy. The party is going on in Coney Island. This is the party spot. Wow. This is the party spot, bro. Wow. Alrighty, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go, let's go.
You can blame Sean, but I ain't invent the game. I just roll the dice, trying to get the change. And I do it 20
Alrighty.
What is she scared of?
There's a lot to see here. I mean, you got a lot to see here. There's a lot going on here. So let's stroll over to the boardwalk. We got the Wonder Wheel over here, the amusement park and everything. Let's see, is it open this way? We can maybe go through here, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's pretty packed here. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, so let's go straight. So yeah, that's where all the rides are. Let's stroll down this way.
The elephant, all right. Congratulations. Hey, look, this elephant is
One more time, I'll let you go.
Coney Island in his house. Coney Island, Brooklyn, Coney Island. 8:05 p.m. right now, doing a time check. Let's make our way up to the boards. The boardwalk, the boards.